You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Global shares of semiconductor manufacturers sank after ASML, a leading manufacturer of chip-making equipment, gave a weak forecast for 2025. Although artificial intelligence-related chips continue to be in high demand, other segments of the semiconductor market are showing a decline. ASML's pessimistic forecasts led to a sell-off in European, US, and Asian markets. The luxury goods sector remains another important topic for investors. Meanwhile, the Japanese government is preparing an economic stimulus package that will surpass last year's measures funded from an additional budget of $87 billion. This was announced by Deputy Secretary General of the Cabinet of Ministers Kazuhiko Aoki on Wednesday, supporting the statement of Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba, who previously mentioned this during his election campaign before the elections to the lower house of parliament. The Japanese yen remains stable, being around the level of 149 yen per US dollar. On the oil market, prices rose slightly on Wednesday after a sharp drop caused by concerns about declining demand. This happened after the market reached its lowest values since the beginning of October during the previous trading session. On Tuesday, prices fell by more than 4%, reaching an almost two-week low amid a weakening demand forecast. Reports that Israel is not going to strike Iranian nuclear and oil facilities have also reduced concerns about supply disruptions. The uncertainty is heightened by expectations about China's fiscal policy, which may affect oil demand. And now to the crypto market. During the period from October 14th to October 15th, the price of Bitcoin increased by 8%, which led to an increase of 11.5% over the past 30 days. During this period, Bitcoin significantly outperforms the S&P 500 index in terms of profitability, which added 3.8%. The cumulative open interest in Bitcoin futures signals a growing interest in the instrument. However, it must be remembered that high open interest can increase the risk of cascading liquidations of positions, with unexpected price movements, which leads to the expectation of increased volatility in the market. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.